Welcome to all. I will continue the series of questions that is purely exercises. I told last time. Question number 54. Locate centroid. All dimensions in millimeter. Sketch given here. And remember, plenty of questions I will give. All these questions for later, I will continue as exercise only for moment of inertia. But some brief writings I may do. Now I decided for all the exercise questions, last time I told x and y with respect to one origin. Now I decided, no. See, anyway, when I give answer, I have to check the answer. Sometimes what I do is, if I find x bar here, sometimes see, it is possible that some calculation mistake. To be safer side, I do x bar from that side. Since I do from that side, I have to note down the values. So anyway, I thought, better write it. Useful for you. So now, this statement, last time I told, every class I will tell. Those who find difficult to understand anywhere. Understand anywhere. Understand anywhere. First to go through what I told in the beginning of the class, I am telling now. If you have difficulty for understanding, only one reason, you are not serious. You have no dedication. You do not want to learn. You suddenly came to a class, someone, maybe you saw it here, and then want to know or want to see how the class is taken. My class is not for you. Go through, start from the first class, engineering mechanics course. Right from there you start. Right from there, today's class is around 180 like that. Yes, systematically, or at least start from first class of the centroid. Then understand. That's all. As I told, my class only for those who are serious. Okay, start. Dividing into parts I have done here. See, 60, 40, 15, this is 24, so this will be 36. Okay. Now, every question onwards now, here I will write x. Now, next time I will not tell extreme bottom, extreme left, extreme bottom, bottommost and extreme left corner origin, green dot. See here, green dot is here. Now you know it. This way x, this way y. I won't waste time on that one. All these days, what you are doing, if you do not know, suppose somebody will ask, sir, x that side or this side, leave my class. Leave my class, I will tell. After so much explanation, so much of, not only explanation, principles told, now if you ask, sir, x that side or this side, no side, x no side. Okay. X, y. Once I see 1, 2, 3, A1, A2, A3, x1, y1, x2, y2, x3, y3, x bar you can see there. Once you finish that one, extreme right and extreme top and extreme right. Here extreme bottom, extreme left, this corner. See, that corner. Extreme top and extreme right as origin to understand green dot with the right mark, tick mark. Solve separately. Okay, start. Areas I will not explain for this question. x1 for this here, 60 by 2, 2 by 3 of 24, 24 plus 1/3 of 36. It came, this 36 is not that 36. It is 24 plus 1 by 3 of 36. Someone will tell, how that 36 came here? Leave the class. I will tell, leave the class. I should be very harsh. I told you should write the expression here. Don't copy the number here. Don't try to search where is that number here. You do systematically. 24 plus 1 by 3 of 36. It will come 36. What I can do? Y from here. Half of 40, 20. Second and third for both of them, 40 plus 1/3 of 15. You will get x bar and y bar. Alternate solution, this origin. 1, 2, 3 I am not writing. 1, 2, 3 I am writing. Areas I am not writing. Why? Whether you do left origin or right origin, area remains same. Okay, but distance will change. Now see, x this way, wrong. See, it is wrong. Why wrong? This is not the top. See, not a mistake actually. Okay, done. This is not the, see, extreme means what? Further this side nothing should be there. Oh, not this one. See, by mistake. Okay. See here. This one. Here. O. O also I am not writing. Why should I write O? This one, right. Okay. Once you come to extreme right, nothing should be there on this side. Once you come to extreme left, nothing should be there on this side. Once you come to extreme bottom, nothing should be there below. When you go to top, see, if you go here, something is still there. If you go here, above this, nothing is there. Okay, start. By mistake I marked here, I am changing now. But there I have taken care, don't worry. X, half of 60, 30. 2, 36 plus 1/3 of 24, 44. 36 plus, how much? 36 plus 8, 36, 44, correct. Next one, 2/3 of 36. Where is it? 24. Okay. Y distance from top. For 1, 15 plus half of 40, 35. For both of this, 2/3 of 15. You get, see, from this, first time you get from here. Now you will get from here. From here. You will get x bar, I wrote it here, x bar and y bar. This is centroid G for the given lamina. Correctly work out and get ready for question number 55. See, question 55, what I did is, 1 minute, I'll tell you what I did. Question 54, see here. This is 24, that is 36. So this way symmetry is not there. This way anyway symmetry is not there. So x bar, y bar both are calculated. But question 55, what I did is, same question, I did not change anything. I made this way, this way, and then I wrote here this dimension 30 over. This is question number 55. Okay, start. Now this sketch will slightly change. You change the sketch, don't rub this way. You draw one more diagram. Draw one more diagram. Don't be lazy for all these things. This way. Okay. Now, you can take a single triangle, but moment of inertia problem is there. Therefore, I told divide into right angle triangle. Good. See now, this is 30. This also 30. Little this side. Okay. This also 30. Two question at a time I have solved. 30, 30. Now, this is 15. Don't see other things. 60, 40, same, 30. Now, area will change. 1, 2, 3 remains same. This will remain same. How much it is? Okay, I got the table there. Area is 2400. This will remain same. But these two area will change. 30 into 15. 225, I think. Correct? I think 225, most probably. 1 minute. How much it is? 30 into 15 into 0.5. Yes, 225. This area, 225. This area also 225. Okay. Now, you should make a note. You write this sketch once again here. See, whatever sketch I given, before you start calculating, write once again. Rough sketch. Somewhere here. Before starting, right here. Now write a note here. See, 30, 30, both are equal, correctly, it should come here. Okay. 30, 30. Therefore, now fortunately, this is axis of symmetry. This is axis of symmetry. So this time, this distance is known. If it is 60, this is 60 by 2, this is 60 by 2. Therefore, x bar is not required. You require only y bar. Therefore, this question, see, only y values, only y. Here also, only y. Only y required, no x distance required. Start. Now do one thing. Now you don't have to, okay, write what is there. If you want, write as usual, origin here. See, this is the base extreme, bottom extreme, OX. This is y. Okay, from this way we will do y bar. See, reference here for y bar. Sorry, not y bar. X bar, not required. This is the reference for your y bar. y1, only y required. y1, half of 40, 20. y2, 40 plus 1 by 3 of 15, 45, 45 over. You will get y bar. That's all. Or if you take top extreme, see, suppose you find y bar from here, this way, from that origin. For this figure, 15 plus 40 by 2, 35, correct. Centroid is here, centroid is here. 2 by 3 of 15, this also 2 by 3 of 15, 10, 10. You will get y bar from that side. And your final answer will be, see now, final answer will be, rough sketch actually, 60, 40, 60, 40, center 15. This is the given lamina. Okay, dimension I am not writing. See here, you have to locate centroid. I told all dimensions in millimeter. This is axis of symmetry. Directly mark here this distance and this distance are, since it is 60, 30, 30. Y bar you will get, I calculate already, from bottom 39.474. Y bar, this is midpoint is 40, up to here is 40, 39, I got doubt. No, it can't be 39. No, it is 35.526. See, I got doubt about it. 20 is 20. See, how? Because I came to know it is wrong. I know it won't be that much. I wrote from other side, 35.526 from here. If you take reference line for y bar bottom, your y bar will be 35.526. Whereas if you take the topmost reference and if you find y bar this way, there is no x bar calculation here. That will come, total 75 is there, 39.474. 39.474 over. Don't tell, oh, this person is seeing the sheets for answer. I prepared a solution to save the time. I don't have to show my talent. People have seen how I calculate. I don't require it. But if I do calculation here, see, there, sitting inside in a chair, I note down. There is nothing here. Still, if I do not want to see that one, then I have to calculate here. Sometime mistake will come. Okay, I told in my entire teaching, I never took a class referring to something. This is exercise question. There is no reference. Okay. Centroid G is here. This is the final answer for this question. 55 over. Now 56. I will write and start. 56. I will prepare. Right? Prepare means I will write the sketches, complete formalities, and start. Little time. Duration 54:55. Okay. Now question number 56. See, I will solve plenty of questions. All of them. Now for centroid, later for moment of inertia. At the time of moment of inertia, I will tell you this was question number. Now question number will change there. Because why? When I do question moment of inertia, number will change. But I will write, maybe this is the question number. See, moment of inertia, question number, not 56, maybe 71, because more questions are there. 71. I will tell question 71. But remember, earlier in the centroid exercise, when I gave this as exercise, at that time it was question 56. And note x bar, y bar, we got that much. Better write once again now if you are serious. See, a rectangle here, 200 by 150, a semicircle is there here. But remember, there's a gap here. Oh, right. This way no symmetry, this way also no symmetry. Therefore, x bar, y bar both are required. That's why I wrote x and y both. Okay. Start. One rectangle, 200 by 150. One semicircle. See, this gap is 30. This diameter is not given. See here, when this is 150, this is 30, that diameter will become 120. Those who want one thing, you make a note here. See, those who want, make a note here. This is 120 millimeter. 120 millimeter. And this way, this is 200. If you want to go to extreme end, you have to further go by, when the diameter is 120, radius is 60, so your overall length will become 260. Be careful. Overall will become 260. That you should be careful. Okay, now nothing is there. Figure number 1, figure number 2. A1, I will not explain. Sorry, I am weak in mathematics. I don't know how to find area for a rectangle. Okay, you can tell that way. A2, semicircle, pi d square by 8. Total area. What else? Someone will ask. Last time he told 2 numbers. He did not tell what is the last number. Leave the class, not my students. Not fit study from me. How many times I wrote earlier. See, this harshness is required. Then only people understand. You talk politely and tell, say, please, you add these two and you get the area. Some are expecting that way. Then my class is not suitable for them. I explained much more earlier. So that those who have gone through everything, they will tell by this time, sir, these are all not required, sir. We can do yourself. Then do yourself only. Good, I'm happy. But for those who find difficulty, I'm giving steps here. Okay. See, dot means, I told you, I am not explaining. You know the meaning of dot, and this is a green dot and a green dot with a tick mark. I already told in the previous class. Go through once again. You cannot come to question number 56 unless you go through 54, 55. If you skip those questions, and if you don't understand why dot here, why dot right here, it is your problem. My class, everything you have to go through. Start. X. 200 by 2. See, I am writing direct answer here. You should show the calculation and get it. Table you are right, part number. See, even 1, 2, 3, 4 also I am not right. Now only 2 parts are there. Okay. X. 200 by 2. X2. 200 plus 2d by 3 pi over y. 150 by 2. 30 plus this distance. 30 plus exactly half of 120y. This way 2d by 3 pi, but this way center. Okay, over. You will get x bar. And also you will get y bar. X bar came 119. See, this is 200. Center of rectangle is 100. Slightly after center. 119. From that extreme end, it is 140.101. This is, or 1 minute. Here, x distance. If this origin, this one, x, see, this way, 60 plus half of 200, 160. Second one, 60 minus 2d by 3 pi. Y, half of 150, half of 120 over. You got x bar, you got y bar, locate centroid. Now, question number 57. What I did is, question 57, what I did is, I removed this, see, 1 minute now, I removed this gap. I put the semicircle full up to here. Then I thought, no, why this side? I'll give this side. That does not matter. I decided to shift it to other side. So, question number, which one? 57. What I decided is same way, see, same way, but semicircle this side. No gap this time. Important is no gap. It can be that side. Once again here, 200, same dimensions, 150, that's all. It's semicircle. Okay, now this is not there. See, dotted line. This is given lamina. Okay, now, before you start the calculation, make a note. Oh, this is axis of symmetry. See, axis of symmetry. Therefore, this distance and this distance, you need not calculate. If it is 150, both are 150 by 2, this also 150 by 2. So, this question, y bar is not required. You require only x bar. You require only x bar. Therefore, this time I will give area. What is this one? Oh, last time I forgot to give one thing. Oh, yes, 1 minute. Last time question, I think. Oh, no, area is here. Okay. Now, this time, you require only x bar. So, area will be there. Area will change. 1 and 2. Only what you require, what? Only x bar you require. Only x required. Y is not required. Only x required. Okay, start. As usual, figure 1, figure 2. See, now this sketch have to change because this side has to come. That is a change because I thought I will remove this one. You make all these notes. I will remove this one now. You write all these things. Therefore, decide only x bar required. X. See. Okay. See, this is 200. This is 150 given in the question. 150. Now, for this one, diameter is not given, understood. See, the diameter is 150 only. Dia is 150. 150. And if you want this distance, it is 75. 75. Why? Half of dia. Now, see, I will take this is figure number 1, this is figure number 2. In that case, see here, I told left extreme, nothing this side, bottom extreme, nothing this side. This is your dot. Extreme bottom, extreme left corner origin. And this is your dot with the right. People who find difficulty to understand, leave the class. G1, G2, see, G1, G2. Start. A1, same. A2 will change. It will be pi by 8 of 150 square. Pi by 8 of 150 square now. Oh, calculator is not on. Pi by 8 of 150 square is 8835, second number, 8835.729. So total area is 38,835.729. Correct answer? I noted down. 38,835.729. Correct. Okay, now x distance for this origin. See, this is 2d by 3 pi. 75, figure 1 is here. Not, you should write figure 1 first. See, 75 plus half of 200. 175. Figure number 2. This is 75 minus 2d by 3 pi. 75 minus 2 into 150 divided by 3 divided by shift pi. 75 minus 2 into 150 divided by 3 divided by shift pi. Sorry. Shift pi. 43.169. 43.169. I note down the answer. Somewhere I made a note. Yes. 43.169 and 175 over. You get the x bar value. Y bar is not required. Whereas, if you take this origin, this way x bar, then x will be 100. See, last time 75 plus 200 by 2. This time directly 100. x2 is 200 plus 2d by 3 pi. 200 plus 2 into 150 divided by 3 divided by shift pi. 231.831. 831. Correct? Just check it. 231.831 plus 43.169 is 275. Correct? Okay. So I forgot right here. If you want total length here, this is 275. Okay. Therefore, now write the answer. Therefore, centroid will be, see here. For the given lamina, which is this shape, okay, should come semicircle, okay. Don't comment on tilting all, okay. Your centroid will be x bar, y bar. How much I got x bar from left side? Left side I got 145.006. 140, or from right side I got 129.994. Center is here. Okay, nothing to worry. This is from here, x bar will be, how much I told? 145.006. 145.006. Okay. And from here it will be 129.994. 129.994. Those who solve from left side, their answer is this one. Those who solve from right side answer, those who are sincere, solve both the way. And this is x bar. Y bar not required because it is symmetrical case. Directly acts of symmetry. Write anywhere you want this distance and this both are equal. If it is 150, both are 75, 75. This is centroid for the given lamina. If you want, you can do one thing. Lightly shade the lamina to show them this is a given lamina. Okay. Question number 57 over. Now 58. I decided per class 6 questions. If too much calculation is there, 4 questions. If very, very easy is there, 8 questions. If further very easy are there, 10 questions. That way series will continue. Now 58, I will, anything missing here? No, nothing I think. Okay, this statement is still there. Throughout the exercises classes, this in future also, whenever I take exercises problem, this red color statement I will write. With a harsh statement. Not clear? Leave. Now, my class is not suitable for you. Some will tell, see, usually, they drive time. Mic is not there. Question number 58. See, this is like an angle section, but here little flared up. Sometime this is cross section of a dam. See, vertical portion, horizontal portion, base slab. Here, for some reason, they will give more area. Or retaining wall. Anyway, for you, those who are studying engineering mechanics, it is a sketch given lamina. That's all. Locate centroid. as usual. I forgot to write. Okay, I will not write. Those who want to comment, let them comment. I am dictating. All dimensions are in millimeter. Okay. See, 250, 250, 40, 40. So suddenly you should write, see, class. What happens is 250, 250, 40, 40. So suddenly feeling comes, oh, how is the arrangement this way? Same horizontal arrangement from this left corner, same arrangement vertically from bottom. Like your equal angle, see, like your equal angle. See, 100 by 100, thickness 10, thickness 10. But unfortunately, right here, unfortunately, this offset, they told 180, this they told 165. Oh, gone. Therefore, that arrangement, dispersion of area along horizontal and vertical from this point, they are not same. Therefore, what is the conclusion? Therefore, X bar and Y bar both are required. Okay, enjoy it. This I will not tell what. Start, need sketch. Now, put the sketch. Do not disturb the original sketch. Write the sketch once again. When you write the sketch once again, divide into parts. See, you do one thing. See, this way, divide into parts. Take this as 1. Second time, take this as, this I will take 2. The 2 main rectangle. Extra portion, I will take 3. Okay, 1. 40 by total, they told 250. See, this 250 was given earlier. See, this 250 was not given now. See the dimension there, or actually better, dotted line. So that some will tell this full given 250. From 250, subtract 40, 210, and then 40. So total is 250. Lengthwise, full 250. 40. This triangle, they told this offset 180. See, somewhere here. From here to here is 180. Whereas from here to here is 165. It is slightly out of scale. Now I can't change it because some problem was there. Space problem is there. Okay, slightly more. I think, okay, leave it. Don't bother about scale. Therefore, see, when this is 180, this is 40. This is 180 from here to here. This is 40. So from total 250, subtract 40, subtract 180, you will get this distance as 30. Make a note. How I got 30? 250 minus 180 minus 40. That's how I got 30 here. See, 30. But this base of the triangle is 250 minus 40, but minus 165. That will come, how much base? So 45. 45. This 45. That's how I got that 45. See, 250 or 250 up to here. Earlier I stopped the diagram here, then extended. 250. Oh, this 165 should come up to here. Okay. I first stopped the diagram here, then I saw this is too small. Okay. See how? 250 subtract 40, subtract 165. That's how you got 45. Now, G1, G2, G3. 1 by 3, 2 by 3 of 45. 1 by 3, 2 by 3 of 30. Okay. A1, A2, A3, I will not explain. It will be insulting to explain area of a rectangle and triangle. Total area I wrote here. X distance, as usual. See, as usual, dot here, your dot here, and dot right here. That all I told what is the meaning of that one. Okay, start. First solution. Abelco. First Abelco, then Eterco. Abelco and Eterco. Abelco means you know what is Abelco, you know what is Eterco. Okay. After some time, I will tell Abelco, Eterco. Okay. X. Half of 40. X2. Half of 250. X3. 40 plus 1 by 3 of 45. Here, 55. Y. 40 plus half of 210. Well, how is it? Why here 140 here 145? That is something else. That is Eterco. That is Eterco later. Don't see Eterco now. Now see which one? Abelco. First Abelco. Okay. 40 plus half of 210, 145. 2. 40 by 2. 3. 40 plus 1 by 3 of 30. You will get X bar, you will get Y bar. X bar you got how much? 76.284. See here. This is 40 plus 45 is 85. So slightly before the junction here. See? Because this is total how much? 85. Little this side. And Y bar you got 76.107. See here. 40 plus 30, 70. Oh, this way slightly below that junction, but this way slightly after the junction. Okay. Then get from here, get from here. Or Eterco. If you go to Eterco, some will laugh. What is Eterco? Now I will tell same good words. Abelco and Eterco. Sometime little later, some people will ask, which is the language he is using? What is that Abelco and Eterco? Go back to class number 1, study and come back. I will always tell that way. Go back, study and come back. Education class it is. Okay. Eterco, start. Here. X1. 250 minus half of 40 or 165 plus 45 plus half of 20. X2, oh, very easy, 250 by 2. X3, see here, 165 plus 2/3 of 45 or 250 minus 40 minus 1/3 of 45. Y, from there, which one? I am telling Eterco now, Y. Y1, half of 210. Y2, 210 plus half of 40 or 250 minus half of 40. 3. 180 plus 2 by 3 of 30 or 210 minus 1/3 of 30. You will get this X bar, this Y bar. Enjoy the calculation. Over. Now today's class, last question. 59. What I will do is 59, I will do one thing now. See, it is 180 here and 165 here. No, this time the person changed his mind. He gave the question same, see, same 250, 40. He told this is how much I took there, 150. This is 150. This also 150. It comes this way. Class. Oh, right here. How is the arrangement to right side from left side? See, 250, then thickness, some triangle, offset 150. Same is the arrangement from bottom to top. Oh, therefore, there is no XX, YY are not symmetrical. Remember, symmetry, this way XX, YY symmetry is not there, but like equal angle, see, right, equal angle. This I told you earlier. Equal angle, 100, 100. Then thickness is 10 and 10. Then, in case you get X bar here as, say, 100, 33, X bar 33, then your Y bar from here also will be 33. You need not calculate both. See, right here. Here, whatever is x bar from left side is y bar from bottom. Or whatever is x bar from right side is y bar from top. Therefore, oh, right here, good advantages, x bar and y bar, right, both not required. Find anyone, say we will find x bar. So this time today, this question, y is not there. Start. 40, 210. Oh, now I should try to change it. Okay. This is 30. This is not 30. They told this is 150. I change the dimension. This is 150. This they told this also 150. Then from 250 subtract 40, subtract 150. 150 plus 40 is 190. This will be 60. See, somewhere here. 60. Illy 60. Okay. It will be like this. This is now, see. Now this is 60. How I got 60? From 250 subtract 40, subtract 150. 150 plus 40 is 190, 60. This also is 250 subtract 40, subtract 150. Oh, this also 60. Both are equal. 60. Now, G1, G2, G3. 64, okay. These are okay. Now, area will change. This area is still 8400. This is same, but this area is 60 into 60, 3600. It is 1800. So total area will be 8400 plus 10,000 plus 1800. This calculator is not on. So plus 10,000 plus 1800. 20,200. Total area is 20,200. Now, I told you x bar, y bar both are not required. As usual, see, this I will not tell. Abelco, Eterco. Okay. Only x sufficient. Okay, start. X1, half of 40, 20. X2, half of 250, 125. X3 is 40 plus 1/3 of 60. That is, 1/3 of 60 is 20 plus 40 is 60. This 60 is not that 60. You calculate 40 plus 1/3 of 60. It comes to 60. What to do? 60 over. How much it is? 20, 125, 60. 20, 125, 60 over. Then over now. You will get x bar. Now, this sketch have to change. Now, x bar we got answer. See, somewhat to scale mark here. 250, 40, little to scale. 40, it comes down here. How much? Total 150. Okay, 150. Here also comes up to 150. 150. Then from here, this way. Okay, now from here, x bar, how much I got? I got the answer there. 75.545. See, 40 plus 60 is 100. So it will be this side. 40 plus another how much? 40 plus another 35. Okay. Slightly after midpoint. Okay. This is the axis. This is x bar 75.455. Then from other side it will be 250 minus that one, 174.455 is the answer. Okay, now make a note. That's all. Y bar is not required. Or one forgotten here. See, or if you go for Eterco x 250 minus half of 40. 230, correct. x2, 125, but x3 is 150 plus 2/3 of 60, 190. It is 190. Then x bar will come 174.455. Now make a note here, one axis over. You need not see this boundary dimensions 250, 250, all you have to write. I am not writing. See, always when you put the final sketch here, write the boundary dimensions. This I told you 1,000 times earlier. Now, how is the x bar from left side here? That is the y bar from bottom. Same way. See, if it cuts here, same way it will come. This is your other axis. From here to here is, without calculation, 75.455. Then from top it will be 174.455. This is 545. Oh, see, 75.545. See, I got shock. 0.455. Sometimes small number mistake. Okay, over. Now this is centroid G for the lamina. It may lie outside, I don't know, depends, or it may just inside, depends upon construction. Our distances point of view, or someone will come in tomorrow, sir, actually if you correctly locate, it comes slightly inside. Okay, it is not to scale. I am asking you distance. Then due to the drawing, correct scale right, you mark the point, automatically it comes, or go to AutoCAD and draw it there. This is centroid G over, or those who are serious to one thing, you find y1, find y2, find y3 and get this y bar, or find y1, find y2, find y3 from top and get that y bar. If you want, you can do it, but not required. Over. Question number 59 over. Next class 60. I'll make a note here. Next class 60. Sufficient. I'll wind up the class now. See, I decided per class, if very much complication, or suppose there are some 4 or 5 figures are there, 2 questions, little later it will come. But we are not going for too much complication. If only 3 figures are there, I will do for around 4 questions. If simple questions are there, say maybe 6 questions. If very, very simple, I may go to furthermore, so that you can keep on solving every day, those who are serious. See, little sacrifice required from your side. If you want to, you should catch up with me. Otherwise, what happens is my class will go further, you will be lagging behind. One person recently known to me, he told me, sir, I am still in engineering mechanics part 1 class 10. Why? Sir, everything, sir, I am understanding and making a note. And he even told, it is beyond limit or beyond imagination how much a subject can be explained. Okay, I told, thank you. Why? It is a complication for me. He told, it is beyond imagination. This much explanation can be given for a subject, so that even the weakest of the weakest can also understand. Strongest of strongest, if you think, be careful, you will make mistakes sometime. Therefore, don't think you are strongest of strongest. You think you are okay. If you still you are good, then why come to my class? Okay, that is your choice. Okay, now this is over. Next is question number 60. I'll continue. Thank you.